This lesson is about solving word problems involving the volume of rectangular prisms with whole number edge lengths. Really what we're doing is we're combining a lot of the concepts that we've been looking at in the past few lessons. Let's look at this first problem. Alex is building planters for his garden. The first planter is 8 feet long, 2 feet wide, and is filled 3 feet high with soil. What is the volume of the soil in the planter? Explain your work with a diagram in addition to any other work that you do. Okay. When I solved this, the first thing that I did is I have this planter, and I drew in the dimensions. I started with my 8 feet long, my 2 feet wide, and then I drew in the soil that he put in. And I have 3 feet high of that. Remember, it might not fill the entire container. We don't know. It doesn't tell us the height of the container, but we don't need to know the height of the container. Then we wrote the formula, plugged in the values that we have, and found out that there are 48 cubic feet in this. And remember, it's cubic feet, not square feet. Square would be 2 dimensions. We are working in a 3rd dimension here. Try the next problem. Alex wants to grow tomatoes in 4 large planters. He wants each planter to be 320 cubic feet, but all of the planters to be different shapes. Show 4 ways he can make these planters and draw diagrams with the measurements on them. All 4 ways are going to be rectangular prisms, but you need to determine 4 possible variations. There are a lot of different ways to solve this problem because it is saying just show 4 ways. It's not naming specific measurements that you need to use. So here are 2 possible options where you have a length of 10 feet, width of 4 feet, and a height of 8 feet, or a length of 32, a width of 2 feet, and a height of 5 feet. As long as your volume solves or works out to be 320 cubic feet, that's what we're looking for. So make sure that you check your work that way. If you look at my pictures, you'll see that I do have identical images for mine, whereas yours should be more to scale. The diagram is as a reference point for you at this point so that you can help illustrate, okay, here's 32 feet and it's significantly longer than 2 feet. So make sure that your end volume is 320 cubic feet and then you'll be good to go.